Hello, today we are going to do an assignment which has been given as the part of curriculum in Programming Language Translator course C2 slot under Professor Kannadasan. This this is being done by Animesh. His registration number is 13BC0069. Now the question that has been given is to form from a regular expression we're supposed to generate a DFA which is done directly here, and the expression is given as right left parenthesis a or b right parenthesis star a b b. To do this question, first we need to get the regular expression into a form of new regular expression which is called as augmented regular expression. For this, in the regular expression that has been given, we just add a hash symbol at the end. Now, after doing so, we will form a normal tree using each of the symbols and operators uh, as shown below. Now, this tree is formed. Once this tree is made, now we are supposed to put first pass and last pass values which are used to evaluate the DFA in the given case. Now to evaluate, to find the first pass and the last pass for the given tree, these are the rules that have been mentioned as a prior algorithm. So for a leaf node, if if it is a leaf node which is an expression, then we say that that leaf node is nullable. And if it is anything else, then we say it is not nullable. For a leaf node which is nullable, we do not have a first pass or a last pass, but which is not nullable, we do have a first pass or a last pass, and it is directly the value of the position it is coming in. Now, for an or symbol, when occurs between two nodes, the nullability of the or symbol depends on whether if C1 or C2 is nullable in any of the case as shown here. As shown here, if C1 or C2 is nullable anywhere, the first pause of an OR symbol will be if C1 or C2's first pause union. Same goes for the last pause when it is the case of an OR symbol. The real complication arrives when we have a concatenation symbol. So for concatenation symbol, the nullability is dependent on C1 and C2 as it is dependent in OR symbol. But when it comes to the first pass and last pass, first we have to check for the first pass as C1 comes earlier than C2, so we consider C1 value for the first pass. So if C1 is nullable, then what we say is the first pass of the or symbol is union of first pass of these two. But if this is not nullable, then it is only the first pass of C1. Same goes for the last pause. Here we check out the value of C2. If C2 is not nullable, then we can directly say that the last pause of C2 is the last pause of this. But if C2 is nullable, then we have to say that last pause of or symbol is union of last pause of both of these values. For the star value, nullability is always true, and the first pass and last pass of star symbol is the first pass of C1 and first pass of whatever symbol is whatever expression is below it. Now, after doing so, we will get the following tree. What we have done here is for a value we have provided with value 1, for b we have 2, here a3, b4, b5, and hash symbol is 6. This is the tree that we had made earlier, and we have directly provided each of the symbol ending leaf node symbols with 1 values. Now, for finding the odd symbol from the earlier table, we know that the first pause and the last pause of an odd symbol will be the union of both the values which are below it. So here the odd symbol is present, and hence the first pause and last pause values of this odd symbol will be 1, 2, which is the values of union of first pause of first A and first pause of second B. Now, for the star symbol, what we the algorithm says that it is the first pass of its child directly. So the star symbol, which is nullable, the answer is 1, 2 and 1, 2. Now the complication begins for the concatenation symbol. we have the value for A here, and we have the value of star here. Star is a nullable symbol, but A is not a nullable symbol. So according to the rules, the last pause, if A is not nullable, if the symbol below it is not nullable, then it is directly the last pause of that symbol. So for this expression, this star, this concatenation value, the last pause will be A, the last pause of A. So last pause is 3. For this one, as this symbol is nullable, then what we can say is it is union of both of those. So hence it is the first pause is 1, 2, and 3. Now again, the concatenation value is nullable again. Hence we can do the same thing for the first pause here also, and same it goes above and above, as all of the right symbols are OR for each other, and hence they will have the same first pauses. Now the last pause for each of these, as all of these are not nullable, A, B, B, and hash symbol, hence we get the last pause value as 5, 4, 3, and 6. Hence we have found all the first pauses and the last pauses in the given tree. Now after doing so, what we can do is